How you guys doing? My name's Anthony. This will be the first episode of the Seagrass Slayers. We're gonna go out fishing at Ozello. We took our 6-foot inflatable Sea Eagle pontoon boat out today. It was supposed to rain, you know, Florida weatherman, you know how it goes. It is a clear blue sky. So we didn't take out the boat, but that'll be for next week's video. So stay tuned and see what we have in store for today's episode. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the water. All right, we got some nice current flowing through. It's going this way. We get a point, and another point. Some more mangroves. Let's see if we can get in the middle, right over here, and just cast in this general area. I saw some bait fish jumping out over here that went inside. So let's see if we have some luck. That would be nice. Dang rocks, man. Keep thinking I get a fish. Lots of biomass. They got rocks, seagrass, mangroves, high tides coming in. Should be prime time. Oh, come on. That was something. So today when we're out there, maybe an hour in, I'm throwing paddle tails, imitation shrimp. I have gulp 4-inch mullets. I'm throwing everything. There's a bunch of mullets jumping around and we just could not seem to get a bite. I'm getting absolutely nothing. I'm getting all these nibbles from like all the bait fish, pinfish, whatever they are. They're just attacking whatever I'm throwing, but it's nothing that we want, you know? So I'm thinking, hopefully it is not a dud. Hopefully we can get our first YouTube video out. Hopefully we catch some fish and we have a good time out here. This one's a fighter. Let me guess, another catfish. Yup, that's a beauty. Got something. What do we got here? Is it a catfish? It is another damn catfish. Man, I don't want to keep catching these, but hey, a fish is a fish. All right, and he's off. See you later. He got away. No, he didn't. Okay. All right. We got a fighter. Another catfish, boys. Let's let him go. This is what I'm talking about, man. A bunch of people come out here, 4th of July, and they just don't care about the waters. It's very annoying. But, gotta do your part. Just pick it up. Got him. Got him. What do we got here? It's not too big. If it's another catfish, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh my gosh, bro. What's going on with these catfish? What's going on, man? It's just a catfish day. 3rd one. Don't know what to say. I ain't touching you though. Gotcha. My phone. Take a quick picture. All right, let's let him go. About the 4th or 5th catfish in. I'm pretty determined. I really want to catch something other than this. So we're switching spots left and right. We're going all over the back country of Ozello. Beautiful place, beautiful day. Couldn't ask for better. And finally, that strike hits. I'm so excited. And guess what it is? The spotted trout. Got something, boys. Oh, it's a redfish. Oh, a spotted trout. Nice. Let's do it from here. Got a 13.5 sea trout. Go. He's off. Fish on. Nope, he just got off. Oh, that sucks. Fish on, boys. Oh. Got him. This is probably another catfish. No way. Oh, he just got off. He spit it out. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's try it again. Close, but no cigar. Fish on. He spit it out again. There's no way. There's no way. All right, once I fill this again, let him eat it, then I'm really setting that hook. It's come flying out of the water. No, I'm just kidding. Let me re-hook him. His eyeballs came right out. That's pretty gross, honestly. Should give us a better hook set. Maybe the other one just wasn't good enough. Fish. Oh, fish. No! Dude, what is going on? Oh no. All right, well, that's 3 times in a row. I just got skunked. This is what I get for not bringing any circle hooks. I wasn't planning on using frozen mullet today, but it just happened. All right, round 4. Fight! There we go. Set the hook. Oh, I got him this time. All right, this is the big boy. He's really hooked. Yup. This is what we're here for. What do we got? What do we got here? Woo, this guy's pulling. What do we got? Oh, a catfish. Oh no. Oh man. I thought it was a trout. Just hold him up in front of the GoPro. There we go. Let's go. Nice release. I know, dude. I know. He's off. You know, honestly, that was probably our 6th catfish of the day. Getting a little crazy out here. I've really never had this happen. You know, I used chopped mullet in the past, and I've got redfish and sea trout all day long. But I guess this high tide coming in, or just this area full of cats. Just letting it flow downstream. Once I feel it, once he puts that thing in his mouth, that hook is getting set. Here we go. I feel it biting. Y'all ready? All right. Nope, not yet. Take it. You know you want it. Okay, there we go. Fish on. Let's go. $100. What do you guys think? $100, another catfish. What do we think? Oh, this one's pulling. What's up, boy? Come over here. Okay. Another caddy. All right. I'm telling you, man, nothing but catfish out here. Nothing but catfish. I'll take them. Fish better than no fish. All right, boys. Back at it again. You see some activity right there again. Once again, I'm gonna cast it upstream. Hope for the best. Oh, you see that? What was that, an otter? Manatee? I saw like 3 manatees earlier today. Swam right past me. Uh-oh, I might have something on the line, guys. Nope, false alarm. Probably more bait fish. If you guys are wondering, I'm using these Daiwana Rev Ross 3000. It's a Keijo jack, medium light. Does the trick. Everything I need out here. Okay, feeling some bites. Is it more bait fish? I think so. Got fish on. Okay, come over here, buddy. It's another fighter. Where are you going? Here he comes. Okay. What do we got? Come on now. It's another cat. They're everywhere, man. They are everywhere. All right, you're not going in my net this time. Yep, I know. Take a photo. All right. He's ready. See you later, buddy. All right, guys, I really appreciate you if you made it this far. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video. There'll be many more to come, and they'll gradually get better as we go. We'll get some more footage on the boat. I'm very excited for that, and catch some more fish and see y'all out there. Seagrass Slayers.